back again. Show rider AZ from Phoenix, Arizona. Should be called Night Rider, man. I'm always doing videos at nighttime. No, I'm just kidding. And what are we doing right now? Right now, we're gonna meet up with the Laveen Gromsquad because they're working one of the guys' motorcycle, one of the Groms. Freaking engine took a dump. So right now they've been working on it. They replaced the whole top end, and I guess the engine is still making a weird noise. They replaced the top end, like the engine, the case, and everything. The head, we're still making a ticking noise. So they're gonna take it apart again. I'm gonna show you guys when I get there. I'm gonna start recording when we get I don't know if I'm gonna be working with them with that little bike. When they start working on it, taking everything apart again. See you guys in a bit at Forrest's garage.
2 decades. Yeah. Alright, where are we going here?
This is the first time working on your bike.
Where's the other bowl? I don't even know.
You know how to drain the oil?
Well, of course.
Let me check your oil. Or I mean the bike's oil.
Check your oil.
Yeah. Where's the other one? Oh yeah, we were always missing that one.
So
I forgot.
what's the?
That was missing at your house, and then remember we had that extra one too?
Yeah.
That's that one, I bet.
That was this
Do you
one.
remember?
But it helps.
Isn't there that extra one at your house?
Where's your little like magnet thing bowl? What's your magnet bowl?
Yeah.
So David has a new head and rings and everything.
This thing right here?
This way.
Fucking things. Still making a noise, huh?
I mean, it's a lighter tick than it was, according to Forrest and Anthony.
You don't think so?
I mean,
You're the one
I
riding
feel
it's your bike.
It makes that low tick when you're not riding it. You know what I mean? It makes a louder tick as you ride it, but that was that. Oh, shit,
What's idle? You can hear the noise when it's idle.
And it's light, but like it sound. The hardest part is to determine like where it is, because it's not like an obvious like, here it is. It's banging on this fucking thing. I don't remember who it was, but somebody said it might be like your gears, and I'm like, I don't understand how the gears can make that sound.
Let's do Forrest out. These horns. I'm supposed to put them on a long time ago. Haven't done it.
The worst part is that we took the 3 main components that were obviously damaged.
You don't have the adapter for this thing, so you can use the drill to go faster with it?
This is not my shop.
But you guys worked on this bike before. That's what you guys use?
That's why like they like to make fun that I don't work on it. But
I mean,
therefore if this was my house, it would be a whole different story. If this was my tool.
but watch, you can
I'm at the mercy.
let me show you what can we do with this shit. I think I need the adapter for
Yeah, these 2 guys here. That doesn't come off. I remember that needs to at least come off. I know there's a couple screws. It's supposed to be a pin somewhere, if I remember correctly.
Oh yeah. I think we had to do it straight. Turn it to the right a touch. It's just getting right there, right there. Nope. There we go.
Teamwork.
Flash.
Stepping out. Yeah. How do they look?
Savior of the universe.
That's what we replaced, right?
No, we didn't replace the valves.
We didn't get in there to replace
We got
them.
new valves, but we didn't replace those. Because they're not.
I thought they needed to be replaced.
I think they should be.
Wait, but we didn't replace the valves?
No.
I thought we replaced the solenoid, the valves, the
Replace the
piston.
cylinder, the piston, all the rings,
What did we do with the
gaskets.
valves? Don't they do that
There's
shit?
lots of shit that's in there down there.
Yeah, but what does it mean to replace the valves? Is it like two little mini things that we have to? What does the part look like? Is it two flaps?
Could be
It's
one of
coming
the
from all
rods,
shit.
or maybe the rod for the valve band or something.
Yeah, I don't know.
The valve rotation or the timing on it?
It's possible, that's why I got them for you, but I don't know 100% on how to change them yet.
Okay, no, that's all right. That's fine. But I'm more talking about it. Like I'm trying to clue you. It's not working right now because it's making the sound, right?
Just open the top end. Open the head. Should be easy.
This is the top as the end gets. The piston doesn't go any higher than
That's
this.
the top.
Yeah, this is the top, right? So and this.
Valve should be
Remember when we
easy.
were sitting here and going like, what is? And I remember we were like, doesn't it sound like it's coming from right here? That's the part that I would think it would be coming from. It doesn't sound like the piston. I don't think there's any damage to the piston. I mean, we can pull it out and look at it, but from where we
When we
can
got my iPad? Huh? When we got my
Why
iPad?
don't you pick that one
See what
apart?
it is to change them?
No, we just ordered one. I thought.
I hope that's not the new one. You're getting caught on this.
All right.
The original gasket? No?
It's beginning to look a lot like Chris. I mean, this oil's already looks like shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
No, look closely. That's metal chunks.
Okay.
That's not good.
Is that the piston again?
Look at that.
Is that the piston again?
No, that's probably the last shit. Because we didn't clean this, right?
Yeah, I thought we did. No. Make sure you're getting this torment. Alright? When my wife asked me why I like riding
That's
so
11. The right side.
No, I just. It's different from my kid. My shit
Oh, I
starts. So I was looking at it like my kid.
God damn it.
It's like he used fucking.
That shit looks like anti-seize.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
It's your finger. Don't do dirty shit. We're gonna bring you
Careful you don't gouge it. You know?
There we go.
What?
I don't know what that means.
Shit, it's already warm as fuck. Take off my jacket and shit. Over here, got my shirt off.
Off your face.
No. Yeah, so there's one right here that I don't think we can get. Ah! I can get this guy. Yeah, there we go. I get this guy. Not very well, apparently. I can get this motherfucker. This
Diesel?
Now that-
Hey, calm down, sir. Okay?
Okay. 110.
You're out of control.
How many hours?
Spartan.